so today on Tan's table, I'm going to be making pad thai, which is probably Thailand's most famous dish. So to start off, you're going to need to wash, peel, and dice your garlic cloves so that you can stir fry the shrimp in them later. Here I'm using about 2 cups of peeled shrimp, about 2 handfuls of noodles soaked or a package, pad thai sauce, sesame oil or any other high heating oil, fish sauce, black soy sauce, and I'm using 3 eggs, and a cup of crushed and dry roasted peanuts. Okay, so to start off with the cooking, you're gonna need to first stir fry the garlic you minced. So first of all, you just turn on the stove to medium and wait for the oil to be a little hot, and then you put in the garlic. Just let the garlic sizzle around until it starts to brown, then you can throw in the shrimp. Then you just wait for the shrimp to cook and brown, and it's completely normal for the water to all evaporate. Cooking the shrimps with the garlic like that will really help the aroma and let the flavor sink in. Next up, I'm gonna scramble my eggs. In Thailand, actually, they do everything in the same big pan, but my pan is way too small for me to do that, so I'm gonna rest the shrimp in another container for a while. So after the eggs are well done, I will throw in the noodles and the condiments and mix them really well and stir it up. Just let the noodles cook and soften, and you can usually tell by just looking at them, but if you're unsure, you can just taste one. So after your noodles are cooked and softened, you can throw in the bean sprouts, and some people would also throw in the chopped firm tofu around this time. And then you just mix it up really well and you throw the shrimp back in. And finally, you add your crushed peanuts and stir it all together, and you've got your pad thai. As I mentioned before, Thai people like to serve this with lime on the side and sprinkled with more grinded peanuts on top, and some people also add sugar to it, like at the end, but I don't really like that. So I hope you enjoy this video and your pad thai.